Hello everybody. Can I have your attention for a few minutes? Is that possible? Thank you. Actually today my topic is not that good because my mind is a bit confused. So sorry for that. Anyway, all of us know that English language became the world language. And it becomes very common in our life. And most of people think that English language is harder than the Arabic language. And I think that they are right in some points. For example, the spelling. The spelling of the Arabic language is easier and straightforward than English language. And don't forget that Arabic language is our mother tongue. But there are some points that make the English language easier than the Arabic language. And I will talk about them in detail. Actually, there are 3 points that I've built my opinion on. And let's talk about them one by one. First, the alphabet letters. The Arabic language has 28 letters, while the English language has only 26 letters. Now, let's talk about the second point, which is the vocabulary and the synonyms. Both of them have a lot of vocabulary, but the Arabic language has more synonyms than the English language. And that's what I've noticed from a exam. And now, let's talk about the last point, which is the grammar. English language has a lot of grammar, but most of this grammar has a standard formula. On the other hand, the Arabic language has double the grammar that English language has. And what makes it more difficult that most of these grammars do not have standard formula. Indeed, I've talked about the Arabic language and the English language, and I've explained my opinion that English language is easier than the Arabic language in 3 points. The alphabet letters, the vocabulary and the synonyms, and the grammar. At the end, I would like to ask a question. Why does the Arabic language become easier than the English language, while we know that's wrong biology? Because we learn the Arabic language since we were children, and that's what makes the other language more difficult to learn. Because we didn't study it from the beginning. So I advise you all, if you have little brothers, sisters, sons or daughters, to encourage them to study English from now. And by the way, English language is very interesting if you like it, but if you don't, believe in that. It will be so hard and useless. Thank you for listening, and I hope that I fulfill my topic.